In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use leverage on Webull. This comes through opening a margin account, which lets you borrow against your own holdings to get more buying power than your cash balance alone would give you. Let's dive right in. First, eligibility. You'll need at least $2,000 in equity in your account before you can qualify for margin trading at all. To actually turn it on, head into your account settings and look for the option to enable or upgrade to a margin account. You'll be walked through an application that asks about your annual income, your liquid net worth, and your total net worth, since Webull uses this information to determine what level you're approved for. Now, how much leverage does this actually get you? Webull margin accounts offer up to 4x your buying power for day trades and up to 2x for anything you're still holding overnight. So as an example, $2,500 in equity could give you up to $10,000 in buying power during the trading day, though that drops down to $5,000 if you're carrying the position past market close. Worth knowing, not every stock offers the same amount of leverage. To check a specific one, head to your watchlist tab, select the stock, and tap the dollar icon in the top right corner to see exactly how much leverage is available for that particular security before you place the trade. Beyond just extra buying power, margin also unlocks a few other things: short selling, more advanced multi-leg option strategies, participation in IPOs, and extended access to pre-market and after-hours trading sessions. Now, here's the cost side worth knowing before you dive in. Borrowed funds aren't free. You're charged interest on whatever you've borrowed, and the rate depends on the size of your margin balance. The longer you hold a leveraged position, the more that interest adds up, quietly eating into whatever gains you're chasing. And here's the part that genuinely matters most. Leverage cuts both ways. It doesn't just amplify your gains, it amplifies your losses by that exact same multiple. Because you're trading with borrowed money, it's entirely possible to lose more than what you originally put in. If your account's equity drops below what's required to maintain your positions, Webull can issue a margin call, and if that's not met, they're allowed to liquidate your holdings to cover it, sometimes without giving you advance notice first. That's not a small print detail tucked at the bottom. It's the actual trade-off you're accepting the moment you turn margin on, so it's worth genuinely understanding before you focus on the bigger buying power number alone. One last practical thing worth knowing. If your account equity sits at $25,000 or more, margin accounts are exempt from the usual limit on how many day trades you can make within a rolling week, which is worth knowing if frequent day trading is part of why you're considering this in the first place. And that covers it. Qualify with $2,000 in equity, apply through your account settings, and know exactly what you're borrowing and what it costs before you use it. Thanks for watching, and trade carefully.